Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put into sinx where everything to the power of 2 because number 2 multiplied by number 2 we have number 4. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sinx where later that we do first derivative for the both sides and we have to sinx cosx dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Sinx cosx dx we change by this one. So the integration of this one we have octane of u and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.